Here's a 1930 Ford Model A sedan custom street rod. Very, very cool car. This particular vehicle has a little over 20,000 miles on the build, and same as the engine. The engine is actually a GM Goodwrench Crate 350 engine in there, paired up with an automatic transmission. A lot of neat custom goodies in this car that really set it apart. You're not going to roll into a car show or a cruise in or see too many of these that look just like this out and about. Has a fully custom interior, the upholstery, dash, everything in it. Seats. Very, very unique, nice car. Ford 9-inch posi rear end. This car is made to drive. It goes down the road beautifully, runs cool. As you can see, if you take a look underneath here, it does have air conditioning. So you can drive in comfort. Cool custom stainless running board covers. This is a steel body and steel fender car, so it is not glass. Black paint, still in very nice shape, as well as the, I would call that a convertible cloth top that they used. Kind of the same material as you'd have on a cloth convertible. Made the roof out of that, not a vinyl or anything, more of a cloth that you'd expect. On a soft top. Custom chrome gas tank back here, kind of stainless looking tank. As you walk around this car, you just notice a lot of neat, intricate details on it. If you want to stand out at a car show, this is definitely one that'll do it. It's had a 3-inch chop, professionally done. Does have power windows. Also has an American shifter electric emergency brake, which you don't see a lot in these emergency brakes. This vehicle actually, let me come around here, I'm going to show you. If you're not familiar with the MSRA, it's the Minnesota Street Rod Association. This was actually nominated MSRA 2015 Car of the Year. MSRA also puts on a safety inspection at their shows and club meetings here in Minnesota. This is a top 23 MSRA safety inspection recipient, so safe to drive down the road. Very nice car. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. As you can see, custom inside and out. It's kind of got the chrome inlays here, a little cloth, a little leather. Very tastefully done. As you can see, seat belts in the car. As you can see, the seats are set back in it, so it will provide room for somebody taller. Can still drive this car. Tilt steering in there. Obviously, that also helps. We're going to fire this thing up in a bit too, but let me show you the kind of the gauge clusters. Here's your controls. Wipers do work. Everything seems to work in this car. Controllers for the AC. As you can see, there's your gauge pod, a little over 20,000. That is the actual miles in this car since the build. Stereo system up here, a little tough to see in the dark. With the chop top, just cut a little low, and then of course the wiper motors on each side of that. Very custom, cool interior to this. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it. The actual key is underneath here. Turn it, obviously starts up easily, runs nice and smooth. See how nicely the door closes. Slip around to the back, nice little rumble. Speaking of, while I'm here in the back, you see the Ford cover underneath there? There is a receiver hitch on this, which there's also, if we slip over here and look at just this basket right here. So if you were to travel to a show, want to do a little trip with it, it does have a luggage rack. That plugs in to the receiver underneath the back there, so you can carry some luggage, cooler, what have you, that you want to strap onto that. If you want to check out the still pictures of this so you can see the engine bay, that hood also comes off. So I got some good pictures of that engine bay. You can see the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's also, I'm sure, some things I'm forgetting. There is a notebook that has the previous owner's names and numbers in this, with receipts and what have you. So I don't know, how much is there, but there is a notebook. If you've got any questions, holler, and we'll see if we can figure out any answers that you may be looking for. Our phone number, obviously, 507-386-1726. And again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. 1930 Ford Model A sedan custom street rod.